Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move the taskbar in Windows 10. If you don't know what taskbar is, you can see in the bottom here, there's a black bar in the horizontal line. This is called taskbar. So if you want to move the taskbar to the right or to the left or top of the window, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you have to right click on your taskbar, then you'll have an option called taskbar settings. Click on taskbar settings. Now you can see that if you scroll down, there's an option called taskbar location on screen. Now you can see it is here, it's bottom, so that's why it is in the bottom in the desktop. To expand that, you can see there's an option called left, top, right. If you click on right, you can see now the taskbar is in the right. So if you want to change it and make it in the top, go to the settings again, and you can see there's option top. Click on top, and you can see the taskbar is in the top now. So that's how you change location of the taskbar in Windows 10. Or if you want to change your taskbar size, you can scroll down. Oh no, you have to scroll up, and you can see here it's called use small taskbar button. Click on, and you can see the buttons of this taskbar is now small, and I can use it as bottom, and you can see the horizontal line is now small. So that's it, that's how you move your taskbar in Windows 10. So if you find these videos helpful, and if you want to know more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.